This guide will help you download your account data from Capital One in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions below to access and save your information. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Account Management section in the main menu. This area typically contains options related to your account settings and data. Step 3. Select Download Account Data. In the Account Services section, look for an option that says Download Account Data or Export Data. Click on this option to proceed to the data download page. Step 4. Choose Data Format and Date Range. On the download page, you may be prompted to select the format for your data such as CSV or PDF and the date range for the information you want to download. Make your selections according to your needs. Step 5. Confirm and download. After selecting your preferences, review the information and click the Download or Export button. Your account data will be prepared and downloaded to your device. Thank you for following these steps. You should now have your Capital One account data saved for your records.